Hello guys, welcome back. Alright, so today I'm gonna install this fog lamp switch. It basically comes with everything. The relay, the fog lamps are already installed in the car. So the only thing I have to do is to extend the wires for the fog lamp switch so that it can reach into the engine room. Alright guys, so just tune in and I'll show you guys how to do this real fast. So basically guys, we have two red wires and a black wire. One of this red wire goes from the switch to a fuse and then to the positive side of the battery. Other red wire goes to the relay, and then from the relay goes to the fog lamps. Alright, the black wire goes to the ground. So it's basically straightforward guys. You just need to connect the red wire to the positive of the battery, connect the other red wire to the fog lamps, and then the black wire to the ground, and you should be okay. So this is the relay guys, and I'm just gonna put it right here where it belongs. For those of us who do not know what a relay is a electromagnetic switch which, when current is applied, it opens one circuit and closes the other. All right. This is the positive wire guys that I'm connecting to the positive side of the battery, and afterwards I'm just gonna connect the ground to the car chassis. Alright, the ground is found on the car's chassis. And here the black wire guys connecting to the ground. Alright guys, so I have successfully connected all wires. We're just gonna go for a test run. Alright, so just gonna go inside, engage the fog lamp switch, and then we're gonna see if these things work. Okay guys, there it does work. So it was a fairly good job, meaning the fog lamps have already been installed. All I did was to extend the wire from the switch so it could work. So I just want to say thank you guys for watching, and thanks for the continual support, guys. For those who have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do. Please remember to hit the notification bell so that you guys can be notified when I post another video. Alright, thank you guys again.